What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable right click on your trackpad or on your mouse on Mac computer. First thing we need to do, we need to open System Preferences, and in Preferences, double click on Trackpad. And in here, we have to make sure secondary click enabled, or there is a check mark right next to it. Once you put a check mark, there's going to be an option, click with 2 fingers, or click in the bottom right corner. That's what I do. Set up, and then you close, and that's it. Once you click on the bottom right corner, menu is going to appear, and right click is going to work in every program on your Mac from now on. And if by some reason you change your mind, you don't like it, you can always go back to System Preferences, double click on the trackpad, and just uncheck check mark from here, and then your right click is going to be disabled. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.